you can use the promo code and you will get an extra, your receiver will get an extra $5 or €5 or £5. I had a few of my friends who have used this. In fact, I was told that more than 20 of my friends have used the link, the app, to send money, and they've used the political promo code to also send money. It's a good stuff. When the money gets to Nigeria, right? Your people, whoever is the receiver is going to collect the money in dollars. Do you get that now? It's going to collect the money in dollars so that they can then go on. Even if you send euro, if you send dollars, if you send pound sterling, if you send riyadh, okay, no, well, we don't have it in that area. So if you send euro, pound sterling, and dollars, Canadian dollars, or what have you, right? They will receive American US dollars, equivalent of the money you send, okay? And then they can go and change their money wherever they want, in the bank or anywhere you want. So I just want you to please use that. They are part of the promoters of Mayegun's Diary Politico, and we are good. Let me see if I can send this to the link. So I'm dropping the link in the comments. Just click it. If you click it, or you copy it and save it for after the broadcast. So if you click it, right, you can download the app, follow the old prompt, and yeah. So I have my first caller. Hello.
Hello, sir. Mr. Mayegun on Live Talk Clement from Stuttgart, Germany.
Did you say Kunle?
No, Olaiton Clement from Stuttgart, Germany.
That's the part I heard. Sorry. You are live, sir.
Yes.
Olaiton.
Yes, sir. Thanks so much for your hard work, first of all. And secondly, yeah, quite a pity that we couldn't see Professor Akitunde tonight. Oh, do me go. What is duro lataro? Just to see you. But well,
I know.
To be honest with you, sir, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very good, perfect. Just announce it and tell us the time we'll be there.
Same time, by the way.
So
same time Wednesday. Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. So honestly, Baba MG, now yeah, they call you. I know they call you Professor Mayegun. I say Baba MG. The truth of the matter is, yes, so.
Thank you.
The truth of the matter is, like, that country, we have to just divide it. We have to separate. We don't have any other choice, and there is no going back about Oduduwa Republic or Biafra Republic. Inside your podcast today, you talked about maybe the Southerners and, okay, the old South come together. No, we want our own Oduduwa and Biafra. We have their own. If Arewa want to have their own with their own cryptocurrency, they can also do their own shit. Imagine cryptocurrency was actually legal in Nigeria before they banned it. You know what they did? Then they went on, if you go to Binance, I deal with crypto almost every day, I do every day. Yeah. If you go on Binance, people who know it, you will find NGN. That's Nigeria with our flag on Binance. You can trade with it actually. But really? The currency is so bad. Yes.
And they ban it. It's actually banned now, you know?
Yes, they banned crypto. No, anybody staying in Nigeria cannot download Binance and trade. Exactly. So now, and CBN now launched green, white, green Nigerian Naira on Binance on the cryptocurrency world. And normal Nigerian, like we do in Europe, in Germany, like I can actually download it on my app and start to trade and gain some money and all that. But in normal Nigerian thing, I mean, that country is just designed to ruin your fucking life. So I still can't understand why some people still adhere or stick to that country and be like, I mean, they are fools, bunch of idiots who just want to die in poverty, in wretchedness. Look at the, what's it called, Justice Minister in Canada. Our products, good products are trapped out of the way. Our doctors are all out of Nigeria. And this idiot called Bokowari is now going to France.
To go and discuss about money. Money. About money.
Imagine about money. So, I mean, this thing is just getting so worse and so ridiculous. It's unbearable anymore, my brother. is unbearable anymore. All our sisters have turned solo shows. All our brothers are now graduates will be doing Okada, will be doing bus conductor. You know, it's unfortunate. So I mean, we in the diaspora, we are trying our best to enlighten this view, but there's just some stubbornness. You see our Baba Sunday go, they will still be referring to that good man at the top. He's a thousand, he's politically inclined. Now so them go come start to the blow them stupid grammar. Grammar will say sometimes. If them blow like this, then like say make proof say four.
Thank you so much,
Baba.
Let me
one last point. That yes, sir. But the one last point. Thank you always for that issue of that religion, pastors, imam, and all those Sulaiman Omali. Thank you for those information. Good night.
Thanks so much. It's a good one hearing from you. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Yeah. So I have another caller. Hello. Hello.
Thank you for that. Hello, Maigu.
Hello, sir.
Maigu, I'm so happy.
I'm happy too.
Yeah, Sunday Ogunkoya is my name.
Sunday
Ogunkoya is my name.
Fantastic.
Ogunkoya.
You are alive, sir.
Yeah.
Where are you calling from?
Yeah, calling from Kingdom of Bahrain.
From Bahrain, that's a rich kingdom there ahead.
Yeah. I've been following. In fact, I follow you like my religion. You know, you have got so many division between me and my wife. It's early in the morning because by the time you have your broadcast, we will have been sleeping. So I will always wake up to listen to you. I know that we will always do something new to listen to from you.
Thank you.
You know, see, Nigeria will not happen to you, and it will not happen to anyone else. That is my brother. God bless you. That is the most disastrous, things that will ever happen to somebody in life. I'm telling you, my brother. Actually, I'm from Shagam, very close to you, to Dongolu. Yeah. Good. So I follow you like I said. I'm so happy. Thank you for all you've been doing, for all the expose, everything you've been showing.
You won't stop.
You know, particularly.
I know.
Yeah, particularly, I hate. There is this thing that I don't know. People outside Nigeria, we cannot connect with those in Nigeria. You know, the Nigeria situation has made me develop a mental stress, just as you mentioned. You know. There was a time I was talking in a group of people comprising non-Nigerians. I'm saying, okay, let's say fellowship. They are fellowship, all right? We are fellowship or whatever, online. You know, I did not know when I started discussing Nigerian issue. What do you call that? Is it not mental issue? You know? And my wife was telling me like, man, take it easy. Because we got few Nigerians in the group, but what is happening there is that we see blue. Nigeria will colorize it and call this blue is being blue. It can be purple, plain blue. They will call it some other thing. The other
and
time,
if you are too stubborn, if you are too stubborn, they will say, "Are you trying to question God? What if God says it's blue? Yes, you may be seeing purple. Yes, it may look like purple. So, are you saying God cannot change it to blue? Say, but this is purple. Are you saying God cannot do it? Then they will say, "This, you see, just ask for forgiveness. You are saying God cannot change." But which level be this again? Which one is, you know, that's how mental they've ruined us. It's so bad.
To add to that, we have Dr. Tunde Bakari, Pastor Bakari. We knew how he was so vibrant during Jonathan. He's there now, mood. He did not, the other time he was canvassing for Tinubu, that is the best candidate we ever produced. He's there now. Now, what is this, what do you call satire? What is it called?
Pastor Ruga.
What is it called? Pastor Ruga. Agbo Baba Oja.
That's another title. That one, not everybody know him. Baba, you are a long timer.
Baba, I don't follow you like. I follow you like religion. I'm telling you.
God bless you. Thank you so much, Baba. Let me take another call again, okay? So that we can manage the time as well.
I'm happy to reach out with you. Thanks so much.
Say me well to the missus. Tell her that I said I. That finally we've spoken. Oh. So tell her I said I. Thank you.
Okay, I will.
Thank you so much, Saya. So that's Sunday Ogunkoya, brother. Hello. Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Oh, hello. I think I missed that. Sorry.
It's just around 2:30.
Why is that line so bad? So sorry. Hello.
Hey, hello.
Hello there.
Hello, Mayego.
Sir. Your name?
Yeah, good evening. Good evening to you. My name is Fela Lakwite.
Fela Lakwite. That's a great name. Good evening, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. You are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you.
I tell you, you are a professor. I can assure you.
Thank you.
You are educating a lot of us that do not understand, all these history that you keep telling us. And I hope and I wish and I pray that Nigerians, people living in that country, in that jungle, would be tuning up to watch you, to listen to what you say. And I'm sure before it's too late for them, I think it's better for every one of them to listen to your advice. And I'm telling you, there's so much calm going on in that country. I'll tell you, it's a jungle. And I'm so surprised that as much as we have educated elites in Nigeria, they cannot see. They have no foresight. And it's so depressing. It's so annoying. I'm telling you, for those of us that are outside that country, it is not our wish to be here. If Nigeria was a better place, you and I will be back home.
And we will do better too. We will do better.
I'm telling you,
I'm actually doing this in my own compound in Odogbolu.
I'm saying it. I'm saying it. That's it. If you are in Nigeria, what you are doing here, you can do better back home.
That's right.
I'm telling you, it's so frustrating. I mean, we've been in this country for so many years, and we all our wish is to go back home and retire and live our lives in back home. What do we have here? This country I live in United Kingdom. Right. What do they live on our taxes?
That's right.
I'm telling you, this country, the government lives on our taxes.
And we see it every
day.
In
Nigeria, God has really blessed us, but unfortunately, in the midst of plenty, we are suffering. I'm telling you, in the midst of plenty, we are suffering. I just hope and I wish that all these Tifnumbu and all these idiots will wake up from their slumber and smell the coffee. It's before it gets too late for them. I was saying this evening to somebody, if Tinubu wakes up this night and say, enough is enough, I'm going with this Yoruba nation, I can assure you, his name will be written in gold, and people will forgive him.
Absolutely. I will forget everything I've said about him, and I'll say, you know what, if he was going to pull his weight.
If we could forgive MKO, I mean, MKO was not the like they said the Messiah at that
especially
time.
When we compare what he did to Awolowo, Baba. I know
because of what he did to Baba Awolowo. But we let that behind us, and we still supported him. This was not the Nigeria you and I grew up, in.
No, it's not.
I'm so sorry for those young ones that are just coming up, that are just being born. They got nothing to hold on, nothing to say about Nigeria. It's all poverty. It's all suffering. It's a shame. Mayegu, I appreciate what you're doing. Please forget. I know that some stupid people will be, against what you're saying, but don't worry about them.
We don't even
Yoruba says,
that's right.
Anytime
Absolutely, sir.
Kudos to you, man. Kudos to you, man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time. So let me take another call. That's a good one there. Let me give a shout out. Thank you. Hello. Good evening, brother. Sorry. Can you hear me?
My name. Yeah, I can hear you clearly. My name is Yakub Adiola from Songota.
Yakub from Songota. Oh, you are live, brother.
Yes, I called you sometimes ago
I
like
remember.
that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, actually, what I really brought this night is different from this one. That I just want to bring people's attention to what they have done with religion in our country. They have damaged this country with religion. I would just urge my people to go and watch one movie. It is not a Nigerian movie. If you have time to, you can just spare just this 2 hours movie. Watch the movie and you understand what to do about religion. You will know what to do. Nobody will tell you continue to do this or don't do this. You will sit down and know what to do by yourself. Yeah. The movie title is PK 2014. It is actually a Hindu movie. You can download subtitle, download the movie and watch it from A to Z. You will love it. As in, I just came across the movie some times ago and I love watching it over and over again. If you watch that movie,
would you share just a part of what we should look out for from it, especially on religion that you wanted us to see? Just anything interesting.
It's about what about the movie is that if I start to narrate the movie for you, I'm not sure. I don't even know how to narrate movies.
Okay.
Yes. We just find time. It's PK. P for Papa, K for
K for kilo.
PK. Yes, PK 2014. It was not 2014.
I'll show
that. That's
there.
Just watch it. Please, you watch the movie. I'll be waiting for you to give us enlightenment. As in, yes. Yeah. I'm very just please. That's what I just want to bring down this night. Thank you very much, sir.
You are so
well done, and God bless your family, sir.
Yes, you too.
Yes, sir. We are staying safe everything. This is our country, even make sure for us.
It is.
Thank you, sir.
You take care and stay safe and stay close too. Okay, have a good one.
Yes.
Yakub wants us to see PK 2014. Something to tell us to enlighten us about religion. I'm going to try and see that. Okay, and I'll talk about it like Yakub suggested. Hello, sir. Your name?
Hello. Good
sir.
morning, my ego. This is Paul from India.
Oh, Paul. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Oh, you are alive now.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
Well, we've been all waiting. Like I myself have been waiting all day. We wanted to really see our true father.
I know.
Professor Banji Akitoye. So it's really a shame that we couldn't get him today, but by God's grace, Wednesday
we will get him.
We'll be able to speak with us. Yeah. Yes, and I know it will be a very exclusive session.
Right? He actually sent his apologies too. It was like, I was like, Baba, am I worried? Again, he's just walking, That's when my phone rang. I said, I said, Baba, am I worried? She alley postpone. Yes, sir. Okay. You know what I mean? So he sent his apologies.
Yeah.
He sent that.
Yes. I just want to raise the facts or what I told you. I think maybe the last time I called, I mentioned the fact about the enemy within. I was very proud yesterday when we saw the rally at Oshun. I felt proud. I was impressed. It was something that really touched a lot of us in the diaspora. But I just wanted to highlight the fact that you see this fight that we are facing, or this battle we are facing. You see, we need to really spot the enemies within. Because we Yoruba, we say, tí ikú ta tí ò bá pani, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tí ikú ilé ò bá pani, tìta ò lè pani.
Absolutely.
We really need to understand the battle within. Trust me, the battle on the exterior is even less. It's not, for me, it is just like, it's something that can easily be done. It doesn't cook. But you see the battle within, the battle that we are facing within, the saboteurs, those that are within us, that have entered us, that is exactly where we should first of all concentrate. Absolutely. Though we are seeing many of them, they are through you and so many other platforms, many people are turning around now. They are changing their minds. Those that have been Africans, those that have been Abobakus, so you have helped us to reorientate them and to really reset their thinking, reset their brain. And I want to really thank you and appreciate you for that.
Thank you.
Then another point I wanted to make, by the way, is that many of us wait a long time to listen to your program, as in we really focus our day when you are coming or really. So please always concentrate, always help us check out the comment section, especially those of us watching on YouTube.
Okay.
We don't want any idiots to just come there and start commenting and disrupting our flow.
Okay.
There's one guy now there, he calls himself JD Boss, that is championing one Nigeria. Please, a lot of us concentrate on what you say. So we don't want an idiot to come amongst us and start disrupting what we are doing there. Please.
Okay.
If there's a way you can block stupid people amongst us, just block them, please.
Thank you so much, Paul.
Thank you so much. Let me give all that
too. We don't want to be distracted, and anybody distracting us.
We don't want to be. Yes, exactly. Please don't make any idiots. We don't want idiots among us. Please. Yeah. We are people. We are concentrated on what we want. Thank you so much,
Paul. You have a good evening. Okay. So, just like Paul said, okay, on Mayegun's Diary Politico, you can disagree, but don't ever make my friends uncomfortable. Okay, if you're my friend, you will know this. You don't make my friends uncomfortable. You can come here, even if you want to defend that Tifnumbu,
hello,
you are free. Hello. Just a second,
hello,
please. Yeah, 1 sec, please. Please don't make my friends uncomfortable. If my friend says they are uncomfortable for what you're doing on the platform, I will kick you out. And that's what we do on this platform, okay? Respect yourself and respect my friends more. Especially if you don't come from our from our flock of those who don't have any of these criminals in our worship list. Please respect yourself, and I will monitor the comments soon. Hello, you are live, sir. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Your name?
Sorry for where? Ade.
Sir Ade from London.
Yeah, Ade from London.
From
yeah.
I know
where?
You prefer somewhere, but
no, London.
Please,
I don't know whether you can give me a call to be what should I say? Just to break in whenever I want to call you, because I've been trying it a long time. So please, I don't know how to do it, but
maybe something, right? I'm working on something.
Yeah.
Okay? That will give us about 4 lines, okay? So that even if you have to wait, right? You'll be connected.
Yeah.
You easily, you'll be connected, but you'll be waiting on the line. So I'm working on that too. A lot of stuff. All these stuffs, they run mad on me many times. I'm just like a one-man mopo handling all of them, right? When they run crazy, I just shut them down, and that's me. So yes, I'll work on that. Especially
yeah. I see the headline. Let's have a referendum. You know one thing? What I will suggest, I think the early the better for us to be try to do our campaign now. And these people, and I don't know whether I know is what you are aware. I know the majority of people that vote in Nigeria, they are, I'm very sorry to say, they are below poverty level. Majority of them that vote in Nigeria, number one. And those people, if you do your statistics, you will see that they don't speak English at all. What is it that they hear is Yoruba? So it will be better for us now to be doing our campaign, because by the time we might be saying that this thing will not come soon, it can come soon. It's very easy for them to cajole them. Don't worry, one Nigeria. But if you can do our campaign now, when that thing will come, we will have a solid ground for them to not to allow them to do I don't know, they have a way of their brain. They have the way of touching their brain.
I know.
So please, I realize that all this grammar, these people, they don't, I'm not talking about you. These people, they don't speak grammar. It's only Yoruba that they hear. And
yeah, and that's why I love. That is why I love what Koiki is doing. Yomi is doing a great job too, right? Koiki will break down his presentation in Yoruba a few times and all of that. So, and I'm working on one myself. You'll be the second person asking me this. Mm-hmm.
No. So somebody said it. I watched one of your programs.
Do you remember?
I'm not saying, but I know it's very hard. But if you can at least maybe once in a blue moon, or maybe twice in a month,
the sad thing there, the sad thing is that if not because of the way we are doing this, because of my audience that are cut across, right? Nobody should be asking me to say, oh, we would like you to do a Yoruba program. Okay, it is pretty much on me, and I'm working on it. Trust me, I'm working on it. And I'm going to be having my own program. Yeah, I'm going to be having my own program that will be like a 2 hour straight Yoruba only. Okay, so it will just be for us.
Let me say one thing. Mm-hmm. What you don't know. Mm-hmm. I don't think maybe you are still seeing yourself like yesterday. You are more than what you are seeing yourself. You are more than what you are saying now. Mm-hmm. Because if you don't know, you are more than what you are saying now, and you are paying a major on this thing. To be honest. So that's the reason. I don't know whether if you realize a lot of people are coming now. A lot of people are coming now. So I'm not saying that if you do Yoruba, but let me tell you one thing. If you have a referendum today, yeah, I can give you 100%. Igbo people will go. But we, as Yoruba people, we haven't done anything. No.
We just
so I just want you to. We haven't done anything at all.
Thank you so much.
That's what I just want to.
It's a very beautiful point as usual. Okay, thank you. We will work on it. And one more thing I'm going to add. You can watch this now. I'm going to say this. You can watch it. Okay. One more thing I'm going to add is that if not because of some delays we suffered on the diaspora radio setup and all of that, by now we would have had so many presenters on the diaspora radio platforms that will actually be presenting in different languages. That was the plan, right? Now we have diaspora radio fully set up. It is just for us to set everyone who wants to be part of it up as well. It will just be Mayegun, because that's actually the plan. Getting more and more people on, get the message more and more out. I am this close now, this close, okay? And we will get there. And thank you. Hello. Hello there.
Mayegun.
Hello, sir.
Mayegun,
yes,
the general.
Yes, sir.
Exposing all the criminals, killing them, killing us because of minerals. You see, I come again, Mayegun, you are a general that is exposing all the criminals that are killing us for minerals. The truth. Bring your barrier. Then we say referendum. Yes, referendum is to say you believe in democracy. Tell them referendum. Election, just dumb. We are not blind and dumb. Say we want referendum. Say we want referendum. To take Mayegun, the general, exposing all the damn criminals who are killing us for minerals. Yes, my name is Chukudi.
Chukudi, you always walk in and make an, you always make an entrance, and I appreciate that, Chukudi. Now you're live.
Thank you very much. Keep doing your good work. They're trying to frustrate us. They cannot frustrate us. And I want to tell our people, all the South, the best, even the minority in the Southeast, Northeast, Northwest, all of them, as long as there is love, there is hope.
That's right.
So they're doing everything to fight against wherever they see the truth. That is why I say that the truth is like the fire that is very hard to be pushy.
Right.
So we know that if we give up on this thing, we're not even thinking about giving up. But I'm just telling the Gulliver. Because if you just look very well, see what they are doing, if you give up, man, those who they will kill you, now they want the land, by the way. But after they do the killing, what they're going to do is those who might survive because they forcefully convert to Israel, to Islam or anything or whatever, if they allow them to be fetching water for them, they use them clean the ground. Their life no mean anything for them. Now full and it's for them. So it's better they are killing us like what they're doing in Biafra land. They're killing us, but we know that there's no turning back, make no sense. So the only thing we have to let the truth be the thing that is leading us. Because if we see justice is on our side, from every side. So let's not give up justice. Because the thing that makes us guilty is things that we know. Common sense will connect the dots. We see that it's in there. Study history, study the religious aspect, study everything that they deal with, because they are thinking and planning about you. So you have to think about the people who are planning about you. If it's good, they have their bag of plans, you go hug them and embrace them. But if you see something suspicious, you will know how to take deal with them. Because they say one who is eating with the devil eats with a very long fork. Right. So I say make the people believe in the truth. Fact, history, look into it, and that will give you the courage. Knowledge comes from courage. This is the fire that my ego is burning, and nothing else. Only the truth can set us free, and that goes in every direction. And it brings elevation, and this is what we call salvation. It is restoration. So my people, we say bless and love everyone. Salute.
I've got a tiny sound there. I wanted to play to that your beat, but it seems that you've come to the end of it. So thank you so much, Baba, for that.
Drop the sound.
I don't know if it's going to gel, right? But we can try it, okay? Let me give you the sound. Let me give you the diffuse sound, and you can tell me what you can make of it, okay? Watch. I mean,
I wonder if it's Matthew talk. Let us see Mal come around. Hey.
Thank you,
My degree is coming. My degree is coming. My degree is coming. To the Fulani them running.
Oh yeah. The next time you phone me, I'm gonna get ready for you. Yeah. I'll get the reggae mix and all of that, and I'll wait for you. If I'm lucky to have you, it's gonna be a jam.
Okay. If the latency is the stuff, actually, you can also send it to me so that I play it where I am, and so that we come to them. It comes together with you.
Thank you so much. You have a good one, okay? And a good evening, all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Good night. Cheers, man. So I wanted to be a DJ. Maybe I could be a DJ, but I'm not going to be a good one. I'm going to be a shitey DJ. Well, I can make you laugh. A funny DJ that won't make you dance, but just make you laugh. That's anything that will make you shock. Thank you so much, everyone, for tonight. I would have taken more calls, okay? But I'm going to draw the line. I mean, the curtains here, okay? It's, Koku TV. You are actually the one on my screen right now, and I'm so sorry, okay? Chukwudi will be my last caller tonight. Let's ask them for referendum instead of 2023 election. 2023 election will bring in and breed in some further death. And from these relics, as those who are going to present themselves as your saviors again, those who created the problem can never be part of the solution. Those who are finding and those who find and retrace their steps among these lost chiefs, these lost opportunists, they found their steps and retrace and come back to the people, be on the side of the people, team up, and let us demand. Let's decide whether we still want to be part of Nigeria or not. Don't beg for unity. Don't beg. Stop begging for unity. Stop being a unity beggar. Stop telling everybody to love Nigeria. Stop making everybody love what they don't like. Do you understand that now? Give them choice. Let them tell you where they want to be. And with that, if you can do that, half of Nigeria problem will be solved. You know why? Because many people will never want to share in that misery anymore. People will actually want to go and solve their problem on their own. And if they choose to still be together, it will be on their own terms, not on the terms of Abdusalami Abubakar, former head of state that is now using his own military helicopter to supply weapons to terrorists. We have it on record, but who's going to probe him? Who's going to arrest him? What about all those criminals who have committed different crimes against that country in the past, still committing it? Did they not get rewarded? Nigeria reward criminality. Nigeria reward bad behavior. That is why a Boko Haram who overthrew a democratically elected president, the first and the only person who did that in the history of that fake Nigeria, Boko Haram, that same Boko Haram got rewarded 30 years later by the same Nigerians, who eventually said it was going to be their savior to come and they actually gave him power through democracy. Somebody who destroyed democracy, became the benefactor of democracy, and they were expecting him to give them a democratic country. Here we are. He gave them the Fulani Republic of Nigeria. People are now asking, they don't want to be part of that Nigeria anymore. Same people are telling you that they have a solution. What solution would they have? Why should they be part of the solution? Something bigger is coming. And like this, they say now from hand, now from hand like this, dance they start. We are getting there. I'm going to see you some other time. Please, if you are just joining me, you can watch this video again. It's YouTube. It's so easy. Just scroll it back. And you start watching again. You can even do that now because I'm about to round up, okay? But before you go, give me that thumb up under this video. And remember, if you haven't downloaded your SendWave app, you can do that now. Here is the link in the comment. Just the link. If you click that, you will be able to get the app on your phone, okay? Free. Download it free. And whenever you want to make any transfer, it's also free. Doesn't matter how much you are transferring. Do you get that now? And you can use my promo code, Politico, our promo code. And you'll get your own $5, £5 or €5 on your next first transfer. Thank you so much, everyone, for your time. I'm going to see you again some other time. Okay? Until then, let's stay safe and good night. Oduduwa anthem.
Ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Lórí Facebook. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Lórí YouTube. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Bọ́ bàbá gbé wúrẹ́. Ayẹ̀kú máa bí. Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ayẹ̀kú ti dé. Ijó ìgbádùn yẹ. Àní ẹ̀sùn láti. Pẹ̀sìdó bá rúfin o. Àní ẹ̀sùn láti. Gómìnà kówó jẹ. Àní ẹ̀sùn láti. Ọlọ́pàá tí ń gba rìbá. Àní ẹ̀sùn láti. Aṣòfin tí ń rúfin o. Àní ẹ̀sùn láti. Òkúra olóṣèlú. Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Àní ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Máyégún ti dé. Gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn ràkì. Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì ṣùgbọ́n ní bá ti ṣe èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe ọmọ bá dèrò ní fi wọ́n níran o.
Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì. Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì ṣùgbọ́n ní bá ti ṣe èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe ọmọ bá dèrò ní fi wọ́n níran.
Wọ́n fowó bẹ́ẹ̀ o Máyégún ó sọ pé wọ́n ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n fowó bẹ́ẹ̀ Máyégún ó sọ pé wọ́n ò fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Oníkanṣá ti ṣe èyí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe fáwọn ará ìlú tó gbé wọn débẹ̀ o.
Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì. Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì ṣùgbọ́n ní má ti ṣe yìí tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe ọmọ bá dẹ́rọ̀ ò ní fi wọ́n níran.
Kì máa yí ṣe eré ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣe ẹ̀fẹ̀. Kì máa yí ṣe eré ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kì í ṣe ẹ̀fẹ̀. Ẹni bá ti lè lẹ́bọ̀ lẹ́rù o ọmọ bá dèrò kàṣà ìtú wọn síta.
Máyégún ti dé gbogbo ọ̀jẹ̀lú ẹ̀ súnra kì. Máyégún ti dé